Hey Elementors, I'm Daniel from which-addon.com. In this video, Bianca and I will show you where you can find a working discount code for the Elementor add-on Essential Add-ons, and we will explain how to use it. So, let's dive in.
First of all, visit the website which-addon.com. Here you will find a variety of Elementor widgets and the matching add-ons. To get to the discount page, click the Discounts button that is shown at the top right of the menu. Here you can find a wide range of Elementor add-ons with the related discount codes. In this video, we take a look at the add-on Essential Add-ons. To show the discount code, simply click on the Show Code button and the code will be displayed in a pop-up. By clicking on the Copy Code button, the code will be saved to the clipboard. Now visit the website of Essential Add-ons and choose the plan you want. In the shopping cart, we have the possibility to paste the discount code in the corresponding field. Now, just click the Apply button and the discount will be granted. And that's it! Here we see the original price and the reduced discount price. We hope that you'll be successful creating your website with essential add-ons for Elementor. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel.